everybody. So today we're going to read a story about patterns, and this one is about cars. So it goes beep beep vroom vroom. Beep beep vroom vroom. Beep beep honked the yellow cars. Vroom vroom zoomed the red cars. Crash crash banged the blue cars. Cars are fun, said Kevin, for big kids to play with. I like cars, said Molly. You're too little to play with my cars, said Kevin. Kevin, called Mom, it's your turn to set the table. Aw, Mom, grumbled Kevin. He carefully lined up all the cars on his shelf. When I come back, Kevin told Molly, I want to see my cars just the way I left them. Do you see anything special about the way he put his cars? What kind of pattern do you think that is? Molly waited until Kevin went downstairs. Then, vroom vroom, zoomed the red cars. Beep beep, honked the yellow cars. Crash crash, banged the blue cars. She didn't listen to him, did she? Dad heard lots of vrooming and crashing and beeping. Molly, Dad said, you know you shouldn't play with Kevin's cars unless you ask. Let's put them right back where you found them. Kevin always lines his cars up in a special way. Did the dad line them up in a special way? And what kind of pattern is that? I think you know. Molly waited until Dad went downstairs. Then, crash, crash went the blue cars. Beep, beep, honked the yellow cars. Vroom, vroom, said the red cars. This time, Mom heard all the crashing and beeping and vrooming. Oh, Molly, said Mom, you've made a big mess with Kevin's cars. Can you help me put them back the way he lines them up? Did Mom do the same way? That's a trickier pattern. What type of pattern would that be? That's really tricky. And if there was more, what would come over here? Can you think about that? Molly waited until Mom went downstairs. Then, beep, beep, honked the yellow cars. Vroom, vroom, zoomed the red cars. Crash, crash, banged the blue cars. Now, Digger heard the beeping, the vrooming, and crashing. Woof, Digger barked. Woof, woof. Digger gave Molly lots of kisses, and he wagged his tail a little too much. Look what he did. Molly, called Kevin from the kitchen, you'd better not be playing with my cars. I'm coming upstairs to see. Molly put the cars back on the shelf as fast as she could. She could hear Kevin coming closer and closer. Molly looked at the cars, and they didn't look quite right. So she lined them up again quickly. Did she line them up right? Let's check. Yellow, blue, red. Yellow, blue, red. Yellow, blue, red. Yellow, blue, red. What kind of pattern is that, my friends? Is there another way she could have said that pattern? The cars are different shapes, so she could have done it that way too, right? When Kevin walked in the door, he found his cars just the way he left them. Vroom, vroom, zoomed the red cars. Beep, beep, honked the yellow cars. Crash, crash, banged the blue cars. Maybe someday when you're old enough to play with cars too, Molly. Or you will be old enough to play with cars too, Molly, said Kevin. Surprise, Molly, said Mom, and she was standing in the doorway. We were going to wait until your birthday to give you these, but we think that you're old enough to have them now. And Molly smiled at the shiny new cars. Then, beep, beep, honked the green cars. Vroom, vroom, zoomed the yellow cars. Crash, crash. What kind of pattern did Molly have with her cars? Now, do you have cars at home? Do you think you could make a pattern with them? I bet you could. Or find something else that you could make a pattern with. I'm sure you could. Okay, Thanks. Bye.